will never be able to make a thumbnail look like this too deep unless you have a knowledge AI and ChatGPT and their uses. So today I am going to telling you how to make a viral thumbnail like this with the help of AI and ChatGPT. You can make your thumbnail look like this too. So let's start the video. So first of all, we will go to the canvas. Then we will create a new project and take the thumbnail template. Now here we upload a background, this background, then we will add our character and remove this background too. Now we will have to add a laptop here because I do editing most of the time. I need a laptop show me here which I have taken reference from this image. Now we will remove this background. Then we will erase the other part of space. So to erase it, we have to go to the editing section. Then by turning the auto detection option, we will select the other part. Then it will be automatically grabbed. Then we will delete it. After this, we will have to remove its background again. Now, finally our image is ready. Then, after the adjusting it properly, we will have to write the text here, which we want, and then we will adjust it properly. After applying the background, then we will download this image. Then after we will log on to the ChatGPT. And then after selecting this image, we have to download it. We will give a simple prompt and then click generate. I'll share this prompt in WhatsApp group. You will also see it from there. You will join in the WhatsApp group. And you can also give a simple prompt of your own. Now you can see that a very nice image has been created. If you don't look like it, then get it generated again. So now let's go to Canva. All the remaining work will be done there. So after coming to Canvas, we will upload the ChatGPT image here again. Then select it and bring it on page. Then adjust it properly. Now you can see that there is a gap on this side. So we will fill it. So first of all, we will go to the expand image. Then click on select whole page. Then it will automatically grab. Now you can see this 4 options are coming. Select whichever you like. I like first one. So I'll keep it. Here you can clearly see that our title is wrong. This is not our topic. So now correct it. If we do this, we will again go to the edit section and click on the graph text. Then click on graph. Now the entire text has become the editable. We can write whatever we want. So let us write our text. Then we will adjust properly. So you can see that our thumbnail is ready. So now you can see that our thumbnail is ready. Now we are showing you by comparing it. So this is our custom thumbnail and this is AI generated it too. So if you have reached till here in the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel and to tell us which topic we will cover to the next part.